Yeah, I've got this all sanded with 15. I'll go over it with 2000, and then I'll hit it with 3. I'll be ready to buff. Hold on, Jim's going to show you something pretty badass. I don't know what it is. Not you, Angel. Anywho, this is where we're at. Looks good to me. And this lighting. See how she looks outside. I can tell you now it's going to be what it is for this summer at least. Yeah. Angela's ready to drive this thing this year, she says. Daily driver. As long as it's not raining. That's what she said. She said she wanted to drive it more this year. We don't worry about things like dents and color matches on drivers, do we?
I thought you were getting A-arms. Coilovers.
No. Trying to get some power steering.
Oh, power steering, that too. Well, that goes with the front suspension.
Alright.
Wheels and tires.
Oh, that's not my department. I got Fords to get on the road. Lots of Fords to get on the road around here. They got Fords, so you always got to try to get them on the road. Oh boy. So I'll show you these sweet shift knobs we got. This one's for Angel's car. Anyway. But more importantly, I got one for the shoebox. Well, anyway, this guy was at the Portland swap meet, so he can make pretty much anything. But you can make all the dash knobs and everything to match. You can make door pulls, any knobs, obviously. I'll show you his flyer here. So anyway, pretty cool stuff. So this is all done. Put back together. Brand new. Stuff like that. We still have to order the shifter cover, which we've needed for about 12 years now. For this shifter. But the knob's on.
Yeah.
If the cowl feels a little rough, it's because there's overspray on it. I figured it would be a nice memento to remember this repair by. So anyway, all done. I headed outside to look at it, and it looked good before it started raining. Now it stopped.